Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to talk about the animals and their life. Now I hope that you will enjoy watching animals with me. Now my students, look at these animals. What can you see in this photo? Yes, it's a goat. A goat. Mars. Look at the second photo here. What kind of animal can you see? Yes, it's a wolf. A wolf. Dip. Look. What is this? What is? It's a cat. قطة. Look. What's that animal? It's a leopard. Leopard. الفهد. Look at this kind of bird. What is it? It's an owl. It's an owl. إنها بومة. And that bird, what is it? It's an eagle. It's an eagle. And look here. What's this? It's a frog. Frog. And we have here a photo of a river. River يعني نهر. Okay. Now look at the goat here. What is it doing? It's looking at us. إنه ينظر إلينا. Looking at. ينظر إلينا. Look at this wolf. What is it doing? What is it doing? Is it playing? No. The wolf here is sleeping. So, the wolf is sleeping. نائم. Look at the cat. What is the cat doing? Is it sleeping? هل هي نائمة? No, it isn't. It's jumping. Jumping يعني تقفز. The cat is jumping. Look at the leopard here. What is it doing? What is it doing? Is it sleeping? No, it isn't. It is walking in the tree. So, walking. What's the meaning of walking? يعني يمشي. يمشي. Look at this owl. What is it doing? It is sitting. Is it looking for food? No. It's sitting in the tree. So the owl is sitting in the tree. And look at that bird. What is it? It's an eagle. Is it looking for food? هل يبحث عن طعام؟ No, it is flying. Flying. It's flying. إنه يطير. Look at this. It's a frog. Where does a frog live? Where does it live? Is it in the... Does it live in a mountain? هل يعيش في الجبال? No. Frogs live in the river. frogs live in the river. Now, my students, do frogs like eagles? هل الضفادع بيحبوا النسورة؟ No, they aren't. Why? Why frogs don't like eagles? Because eagles eat frogs. لأنه النسور بياكلوا So, eagles eat frogs. النسور تأكل الضفادع. Now, do owls eat frogs? Yes, they do. So, owls eat frogs. Now, do leopards eat frogs? No, they don't. So, what do leopards eat? Look. So, leopards eat goats. Leopards eat goats. Eagles eat frogs. النسور تأكل الضفادع. Owls eat frogs. البومة تأكل الضفادع. Leopards eat goats. الفهودة تأكل الماعز. So we can see leopards in the forest. ممكن نشوفهم بالغابات. We can see owls in the tree. ممكن نشوف البومات بالشجر. And we can see eagles flying in the sky. يعني النسور بنشوفهم بيطيروا في السماء flying. And we can see the frog in the river. What do wolves eat? Wolves can eat goats and animals. It's a dangerous animal. إنه حيوان خطير. And you notice that wolf is a singular noun. The plural from wolf is wolves. جمع wolf, wolves. Remember that, okay? Now, my students, we're going to explain the present progressive or present continuous, المضارع المستمر. In singular pronouns, ضمائر المفرد he or she or it or singular noun أو أسماء مفردة, we put is with verb and ing and the complement of the sentence. تكملة الجملة. For example, she is playing now. هي تلعب الآن. And this is the key word for our for this tense. وهذا هو مفتاح زمن المضارع المستمر. Now بدل على الاستمرارية. Or Ali is reading his book today. علي يدرس أو يقرأ كتابه اليوم. Today is a keyword for this tense. برضو today هو مفتاح هذا الزمن اللي هو المضارع المستمر. علي اسم مفرد. is نستخدمها للاسم المفرد أو ضمير المفرد. والفعل نضيف له ing. Okay. with plural pronouns. هلأ مع ضمائر الجمع اللي هم they, we, you plus are. ضمائر الجمع بياخدوا الفعل المساعد are plus the verb and ing plus the complement of the sentence. نضع للفعل ing وتكملة الجملة. They are studying now. إنهم يدرسون الآن. هاي الكيوردز: مفتاح الزمن، المضارع المستمر، الفعل نضيف له ing، حطينا الفعل المساعد are لأنه الفاعل هنا ضمير جمع. Children are walking now. الأطفال يمشون الآن. Here the noun is plural. عندنا هنا اسم جمع. We add are, the helping verb are, and the verb with ing. وهاي هي القاعدة. طبعا في عنا الضمير I بياخد am والفعل مع ing. For example, I'm studying now. أنا أدرس الآن. اختصار ل I am والفعل study ضفنا له ing وهذا بدل على زمن مضارع مستمر. Now my students, look at these sentences. We're using the helping and the verbs with the ing. Wolves are sleeping now. We have here plural noun. عندنا هنا اسم جمع wolves الذئاب. ويعني حكيت لكم إنه المفرد تبعه wolf. If we change F into VES when we make it in plural. بدنا نعمله في الجمع بدنا إنه نقلب الإف إلى VES. بطبيعة الحال جمع، الاسم جمع بده ياخد are والفعل مع ing. Wolves are sleeping now. An owl is sitting in the tree now. ملاحظين هون an owl. What's the meaning of an owl? يعني بومة، يعني وحدة. Why we put an before the noun here? ليه حطينا إحنا an قبل الاسم هنا؟ Because owl it begins with the vowel. لأنها بدأت أول حرف بحرف علة. لهيك إحنا بنحط قبليها an. An owl is sitting in the tree now. طبيعة الحال لأنه الاسم مفرد عنا الفعل مساعد is والفعل مع ing. An eagle is flying in the sky now. نسر يطير في السماء الآن. نفس الشيء. Why we put an before eagle? Because it begins with what? With a vowel. It begins with a vowel. We put an eagle. Because it's singular, we use is and the verb with ing. The cat is jumping now. The cat is singular noun. القطة مفرد. We use is for singular and the verb with ing. The goats are looking at us. الماعز ينظرون إلينا. Looking at هنا معناها ينظر إلى. هلا عنا هنا الفاعل عنا أو الاسم هنا جمع plural. We use are for plural pronouns or nouns and the verb with ing. هلا ملاحظة يا طلابي في عنا المصطلحات looking at وفي عنا looking for. Looking for. What is the difference between them? إيش الاختلاف بيناتهم؟ Looking at معناها ينظر إلى. looking for اتغير المعنى، صار معناها يبحث عن. when the eagle is looking for food يعني بيبحث عن طعام. النسر يبحث عن طعام looking for. but the goat is looking at us يعني إنه الماعز تنظر إلينا. so this is the difference between them. Now my students, when we want to make questions with is and are, we call it yes no questions. يعني نعمل أسئلة باستخدام is و are بكون إجابة إما yes إما no. Look at this sentence. Wolves are sleeping now. How can we make a question for it? Are will comes at the beginning of the sentence in capital letter. Are wolves sleeping now? And don't forget to put the question mark. Are wolves sleeping now? لاحظين كيف احنا عكسنا الفعل المساعد، حطيناه في بداية الجملة لما نعمل سؤال. الاسم بنحطه بعد رأس السؤال are، ونكمل الجملة وما ننسى question mark. when we answer with yes or no. Yes. The subject here is plural. We put they instead of it. They, yes they, and are will become, we put it here in small letter. Yes they are. The same thing. No they are will become aren't. No they aren't. Affirmative answer يعني إجابة مثبتة with yes, and this is the negative form for answers. with no مع no بتكون الإجابة منفية. And this is another sentence with singular noun. The eagle is flying now. The eagle here is a singular, and we use is for singular nouns. To make a question, we begins the sentence with the question with is in capital letter. Don't forget. Is the eagle flying now? Now my students, open your pupils book, page number 43 from unit 11. From unit 11 we will do exercise 2. Listen and point. استمع وأشر. Look at these photos. We have here 6 photos, okay? Look at the first photo here. What can we see? Yes, we can see a leopard. What is it doing? Is it playing? No. It is sleeping on the tree. It is sleeping on the tree. In the tree. It is sleeping in the tree. Look at this owl. What is it? Look at this bird. What is it? It's an owl. Owl يعني بومة. Is it looking at us? No. It's looking for food. It's looking for food. تبحث عن طعامها. There is a mouse here. Owls eat frogs and mouses. Look at this photo. What can you see here? Yes, an eagle. An eagle. Is it sleeping? No, it's flying and it's looking at the frog in the river. Look at this cat. What is it doing? Is it eating? No, it's jumping. Look at this photo. What can you see? I can see a wolf and its babies. بشوف ذئب وأطفالها أولادها. Is it sleeping? No, the wolf is looking at its babies. And look at this photo. What's that animal? Yes, it's a goat. A goat. Is it sleeping? No, it's looking at us. إنه ينظر إلينا. هلأ طلابي بدي أقرأ لكم نص استماع وبس أنتوا بتأشروا لي على الصورة بالترتيب على الصورة المناسبة. Now listen carefully to me. Number 1. Is the cat jumping? Yes, it is. So, which photo? Yes, this one. So, right here, number 1. 2. Is the goat looking at us? Yes, it is. So, where is the correct picture? Yes, this is the goat. So, right here, number 2. Number 3. What's the leopard doing? Is it sleeping? Yes, it is. It's sleeping in a tree. It's sleeping in a tree. So, where is the leopard? Yes, this is the correct photo. It's a leopard. It is sleeping in the tree. So, right here, number 3. Number 4. What's the owl doing? Is it playing? No, it isn't. It's hungry. It's looking for food. إنها جائعة. إنها تبحث عن طعام. It's hungry. So, which is the correct photo? Where's the owl? Yes, this is the owl. Now, right here, number 4. Number 5. What's the wolf doing? Is it playing? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. It's looking at its babies. إنه ينظر إلى أولاده. So, where is the picture for the wolf? Yes, that's it. Right here, number 5. And the last one is the eagle looking at trees? هل النسر ينظر إلى الأشجار؟ No, it isn't. It's looking at the frog. إنه ينظر إلى الضفدع. So, this is the last picture and number 6. Now, my students, I want from you to write the sentences beside each picture. Okay? Thanks for listening to me, my lovely students. Have a nice time and goodbye.